Hello everyone, good morning student. Today we will see the economic subject unit number 9, 9.7 reform introducing the money markets. Following are some of the important written of the introducing the money market. First, introduction in the new instrument such as the treasury, a bill of the varying mutual credits, commercial paper CPS, certificate in the deposit CDS, money market in the mutual funds MMFTS. Second, RBI repo and reserve repo introduced the under liability adjustment facility LAF. Third, interest rate of the largely determined by market reference. Fourth, National Electronic Fund Transfer NEFT. NEFT, National Electronic Fund Transfer. Real-time gross settlement (RTGS). Introduced the improvement of payment introduced infrastructures. 5. Electronic dealing system of the introduced being the technological upgradation. Small finance bank, payment bank, universal bank, local areas bank. Small finance bank in the promoted by financial inclusion thought the supply credit in the small business units. Small and marginal farmer, micro, small industry, other organized sector and acting entrance in the thought of the high technology but low creation. Payment bank. A payment bank in the like of the other bank in the operating smaller scale without the involving and the credit risks. In the simple word, it can carry out most banking operations but in advance loan of the issue of credits. It can be accept of the demand deposit up to 1 lakh after in remittance service, mobile payment, transfer, purchase and other banking service like ATM and credit card, banking third party of the fund transfer. Third, universal bank. Universal bank in the refer of the offer of wide range of the financial service such as the commercial bank, investment banking and the other activities, especially in insurance. It is a multi-purpose in the functional in the financial supermarket, providing the both banking and financial sales through the signal windows. Third, local area bank. Local area bank scheme of the introduction in August 1, 1996. Enable of the mobilization and rural receiving of the local institution, especially provide to local bank, make then the available investment in local area. The help of the bridge in the gap of the credit availability and the strength of the institution credit and bank of the rural some areas bank. B. Capital market in India. Capital market in India, meaning capital market is a market for the long term of the fund, both equity and debenture realized without the outside in the country. It is also important in question in the financial system. Development and the efficiency of capital market is necessary, promoting more investment as well as achieving economic growth. The demand for long-term fund of the comes in agriculture, trade and industrialized sector. Individual saver, corporate saving bank, insurance companies, specialized in financial institution, supplier long-term of the funds. The structure of capital market in India. The capital market in India compromises the gift agent in government of security, market industrial structure, development of financial institute and financial institute. 9.4 the Indian capital markets. Indian capital market. First, government security. Second, industrial security market. Indian securities market. Third, development. Financial. Financial institutes. Institutions. Fourth, financial intermediaries. Financial intermediary. First, second, new issue market. Third, old issue market. Financial development. IFCI. Second, ICICI. Third, SFCS. Fourth, IDBI. IDBI. Five, double RBI. And five, UTI. And UTI means merchant bank, metro